Continuous lift. A continuous lift is a vertical conveying equipment that works continuously. It is used to connect the production line, assembly line, and logistics conveyor line between different floors, and when the transportation operation is carried out between floors, the equipment is continuously raised or lowered because there is no empty stroke. The time interval of transportation is shortened. The transportation efficiency between floors is greatly improved, and the handling cost is greatly reduced. Continuous elevators are suitable for logistics transmission with their own packaging and diversified varieties, with high efficiency, smooth operation, and diversified structure. According to the structural form, Z-type continuous elevator, 2 inlets and outlets on the opposite side. C-type continuous elevator, 2 inlets and outlets on the same side. F-type elevator, multiple inlets and outlets on the same side. E-type continuous elevator, multiple inlets and outlets on the same side, and other types, among which the Z-type structure is relatively simple, stable, and reliable. The F-type and E-type structures are the most complex. The cost and maintenance cost are high. It is recommended not to choose unless necessary, and the Z-type and C-type are generally selected according to the direction of cargo transportation. Z-type continuous elevator cargo import and export on both sides of the elevator, according to the different specifications, size, weight of the goods. The lifting chain speed can reach the fastest up to 40 m/min. The cycle time can reach 4 seconds per piece. The variable frequency speed regulation, high efficiency, and smooth operation during continuous transportation. Its derivative model, the F-type continuous lift, can correspond to multiple outlets with one inlet or multiple inlets with one outlet, and switch between two modes during operation. The import and export of goods in and out of the C-type continuous lift are on the same side of the lift, which has high efficiency and smooth operation during continuous transportation. Its derivative model E-type continuous lift can correspond to multiple outlets with one inlet or multiple inlets with one outlet, and switch between two modes during operation. The continuous elevator is the use of 4 equal-length chains, while lifting the 4 corners of the chain seat, cargo, carrier. For chains form 4 closed loops, driven by 4 sets of synchronous running sprockets, to complete the continuous transportation of chain seats with goods. The whole process control is controlled by PLC, photoelectric switch, stroke switch to realize automatic intelligent transportation of goods. Since the key point is that the total length of the 4 closed-loop chains is the same, the synchronous operation of the 4 sets of sprockets and the spacing of the chain seats are equal. The first calculation is the chain length and the number of chain seats in the design. At the same time, the number of chain seats determines the spacing of chain seats, which is directly related to the running cycle of the elevator. The connection between the chain seat and the chain is shown in the figure below. The chain seat is a special chain, also known as a pallet chain or a special chain, with a one-way bending function. Ordinary chains can also be used, and special structures can be added to limit the bending of one side, so that they have a one-way bending function to ensure that the chain seat will not bend and sink when loading.